Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today, we are going to continue the chapter Birds and we are going to do the next question, that is long answer questions, that you will find at page number 208 of your textbook. So, let's start. Write today's date. Today is 5 2023. 5/7/2023, and the question is long answer questions. That is, you have to answer these questions briefly, okay? And the first question is question number 1. Explain briefly about birds that have broad and flat beaks. And the answer is water birds like duck and let me turn the page. Water birds like duck and geese have broad and flat beaks with holes on its sides. These birds take in the muddy water along with insects and worms. The muddy water flows out through the holes while insects worms and plants are retained inside the beak. So this was the answer, children. It was quite lengthy because we have to write briefly, right? Long answer type questions. Okay, let's repeat it once, children. Explain briefly about birds that have broad and flat beaks. Answer is, repeat after me. Birds, water birds like ducks and geese have broad and flat beaks with holes on its sides. These birds take in the muddy water along with insects and worms. The muddy water flows out through the holes while insects, worms, and plants are retained inside the beak. Okay, and what do you mean by retain? It remains inside the beak, though the muddy water flows out, but insect, worms, and plants remain inside the beak, which they eat it later on, right? So this was all for today, children. Second question we are going to do the next day. Thank you.